Hey everyone, it's Bradley here from Flooring Inc. with another episode of our Flooring Innovation Series. Today, I'm here to talk to you about vinyl sheet flooring. Sheet vinyl is a stylish, affordable, durable option and is one of the original forms of vinyl flooring. Most people remember that old sheet vinyl in Grandma's house from 20 years ago. Not only has sheet vinyl drastically improved with style, design, and realism, it has also evolved with modern prints, textures, and performance features. It's also important to note that sheet vinyl was the original waterproof flooring solution. Unlike vinyl planks and tiles, sheet vinyl provides a seamless installation method with no areas for water to seep through. Lastly, sheet vinyl is one of the most comfortable hard surface products. With its cushion feel, the product provides a softer surface and greater comfort underfoot. Many remember old sheet vinyl, which offered high gloss visuals with little to no texture. Today, sheet vinyl is developed using advanced digital, mechanical, and chemical embossing technology. The result? An appealing, realistic, waterproof flooring solution. With these advances in print technology, today's stone and wood sheet vinyl look way more realistic. This gives you a perfect, modern-day interpretation of retro visuals. Though it might seem too good to be true, vinyl sheets really are that innovative and low maintenance. But there has to be more to it, right? That's why I asked David Sheehan from Mannington Floors to help me shed light on what makes vinyl sheets so great.
We've had advances in urethane technology where we put particles and incorporate hard surface particles into that urethane so that it makes them very scratch resistant, stain resistant, dent resistant. They end up being floors that are waterproof, kid proof, and pet friendly. Linoleum is actually made from linseed oil, right? Whereas sheet vinyl comes from PVC, or the kind of the same material and chemistry that's found in your indoor plumbing, which is very waterproof in nature. So they got very different technologies. One is actually the modern day equivalent to what is being used as sheet vinyl. And the other is an old term that dates back to the 1950s and 60s and is really not applicable to today's world. In fact, probably about a decade or so ago, we incorporated some UV stabilizer packages into the print technology. So they're very resistant to any yellowing. They don't fade over time, that used to also be an issue. But the ink technology that we use today prevents that yellowing and fading from occurring. When I think about all of the benefits and features that you get from sheet vinyl, the fact that it's waterproof, kid-proof, pet-friendly, scratch-resistant, when you add up all of those attributes, benefits, and features, the one thing that I come away with, it's the most affordable solution that you can buy. So you're really getting the best value in the industry when you buy sheet vinyl.
Thanks for watching. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button to catch more videos on our Flooring Innovation Series, or check out our website at flooringinc.com.